Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear student, welcome to our online class that is by Shatira Public School and College. Here offering your math class, and today we will see a math from the standard 8 textbook and unit 5.1. So now we are going to start our class. At first you are seeing that the question number 1 and all are the same thing, so I am giving you some solution here. Here it is said that we have to calculate the lowest form of the fraction. So you can see here x cube y plus xy cube. If we common from these two term xy, if we common xy from this, it will be x square, because আমি যেটা বলতে চাচ্ছি এখান থেকে যদি এক্স ওয়াই কমন নেই তাহলে এখানে তিনটে এক্স ছিল, তার মধ্যে একটা এক্স চলে গেলে আর এক্স স্কোয়ার থাকে, আর এখান থেকে ওয়াই ওয়াই চলে গেল। প্লাস এখান থেকে যদি আমরা এক্স ওয়াইটা কমন নিই তাহলে এক্স ওয়াই কিউকে যদি এক্স ওয়াই দিয়ে ভাগ করি তাহলে এখানেও এরকম আমরা এক্স ওয়াই স্কোয়ার পাবো। সেম অ্যাজ বিফোর the denominator here there is x square y cube and x cube y square. That means we can take common x square and y square. If we common x square y square from here, it will be y remaining, plus if you common x square y square from the x cube y square, it will remain in x. So after taking common, you can see here if we divide x square y square by xy, it will become xy in the denominator. So in the numerator it's remaining x square plus y square, in the denominator it will remaining xy into x plus y. So the lowest form of the above fraction is x square plus y square divided by xy into x plus y. I think it will be very easy for you to understand. Now we will go to question number E. Question number E, you can see here this is x square minus 6x plus 5 and x square minus 25. And here you can see the middle term break. That means we have to break the 5 as by adding or by subtracting, it will become minus 6. So 5 into 5, 5 into 1, that's means 5 একটা 5 আর 1 যোগ করলে আমরা 6 পাবো। সো হ্যার এক্স স্কোয়ার 5 x into 5x minus 1x, যেহেতু আমরা বলি 5 into 1, that's means 5 plus 5, and here you can see x whole square minus if we calculate 25 by 5 whole square, we can write x square minus 5 square, that means a square minus b square formula. So from here you can see from the numerator, from this two term will take x common. So after taking common x, it will become x minus 5, and from minus 1 there is no common, so we will take 1, that means here is minus, so minus 1 common. After taking minus 1, it will become x minus 5, and here you can see a square minus b square. The formula of square minus b square is x plus 5 into x minus 5, and from numerator now we can get common x minus 5, that means x minus 5, if we take common, then x minus 5 and x minus 5 gone, x minus 1 is remaining. So x minus 1 into x minus 5, and the lower level x minus 5 plus x plus 5. So in case x minus 5 and x minus 5 has gone to cut, and now remaining lowest form of the fraction is x minus 1 into x plus 5. Here is the solution of the question number E. Now we will see the question number G. You can see here the question number G. X cube minus y cube into x square minus xy plus y square, and divided by x square minus y square into x cube plus y cube. Now you can see this is the formula of x cube minus y cube. We know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. That means here x cube minus y cube means x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square, and here is remaining thing is staying. Now you can see the x square minus y square, that's mean square minus b square formula. So the formula of x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y, and the formula of x cube plus y cube is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now we can see the cutting down x square minus xy plus y square by this x square minus xy plus y square, and here is my x minus y and x minus y. So in the numerator the remaining part is x square plus xy plus y square, and in the denominator you can see x plus y, x plus y. We can write x plus y whole square. Now we will see the question number 8. It is also an easy task. If you try to understand, you will be able to understand. Here you can see square minus b square minus 2bc minus c square, and a square plus 2ab plus b square minus c square. Here square whole square minus, if we get common, this means it will become taking minus common, it will become minus minus plus minus minus plus, that means b square plus 2bc plus c square. Now you can see this is a, and this is a square. This is formula square minus 2ab plus b square, that means b square plus 2bc plus c square, that means b plus c whole square. And in the case of the denominator, you can see the square plus 2b plus b square, which is the formula of a plus b whole square, and remaining part is minus c square. So here in the upper level, in the numerator, you can see a square, that means a, minus b plus c, that means b square, square minus b square, that means square minus b c whole square. If you get the formula of square minus b square, you will get a plus b plus c into a minus b minus c. And the following is also a square minus b square formula, that means a plus b plus c, a plus b minus c. I mean, this is the a, this is the b, this is the a, this is the b. Now after cutting down the a plus b plus c in the denominator and numerator, it will remain in the denominator a minus plus b minus c, and in the numerator a minus b minus c. This is the solution. That means আমরা এখানে যেটা করেছি, প্রথমে আমরা এখান থেকে কমন নিয়ে নিয়েছি, কমন নিয়ে মাইনাস কমন নিয়ে আমাদের এটা একটা আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে এখানে একটা সূত্র হয়ে গেছে, আর এখানে একটা সূত্র হয়ে গেছে। সূত্র হয়ে গেলে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি সেই সূত্রটা হচ্ছে এ বি প্লাস সি, দ্যাটস মিন এ প্লাস বি হোল স্কোয়ার, এখানে হচ্ছে এ প্লাস বি হোল স্কোয়ার। এখন দেখেন এটা হচ্ছে স্কোয়ার, এটা হচ্ছে বি স্কোয়ার, মানে বি প্লাস সি মনে করলাম বি। সো এ স্কোয়ার মাইনাস বি স্কোয়ার সূত্র আমাদের এ প্লাস বি ইন্টু এ মাইনাস বি, সেই ফর্মুলাটা এখানেও তাই আমাদের হয়ে গেলে এটা হচ্ছে এ আর এটা হচ্ছে বি। আমরা সূত্র দুটো বের করার পরে, লেখার পরে আমরা জাস্ট কেটে দিয়ে আমরা সলিউশনটা বের করতে। এই ছিল কোয়েশ্চন নাম্বার 8 সলিউশন। নাও কোয়েশ্চন নাম্বার 2c আমরা আজকে লাস্ট টপিকস অফ দ্য ক্লাস। ইউ ক্যান সি given the fraction we have to express it into the common fraction. Very important factor. At first we have to calculate the LCM of the denominator. Here is the denominator is x minus y, x plus y into x plus y. So the denominator of the this x minus y, x plus y, and x into x plus y. So x plus y लिख निलम x plus y, and there is no other similar. So x minus y, and the x is remaining here, x is. So the LCM of this three denominator is x into x plus y into x minus y. In the first fraction আমরা জানি এই ক্ষেত্রে কমন ফ্র্যাকশনে করার জন্য আমরা যেটা এলসিএম পাবো, প্রত্যেকটা ফ্র্যাকশনের ডিনোমিনেটর দিয়ে সেটাকে আবার ভাগ করতে হবে। তাই আমরা যেটা করি, ফার্স্ট fraction, you can see this is the LCM and this is the denominator of the first fraction. After cutting down the x minus y and x minus y, it becomes x into x plus y. Then this quotient will be multiplied with the denominator and numerator of the first fraction. Here you can see the first fraction, and this quotient is multiplied with the denominator and the numerator. After multiplying, we will get x into x, that means x squared and x plus y, and the if we multiply x minus y into x plus y, that means square minus b square and x. So the first fraction is x square into x plus y by x into x square minus y square. এখানে কিন্তু উপরে নিচে কাটা গেলেও কাটা কাটাকাটি করা যাবে না, কারণ আমাদের লক্ষ্য যে সবাইকে প্রত্যেকটা ফ্র্যাকশনের ডিনোমিনেটরটা সেম বানাতে হবে। ইন দ্য কেস অফ সেকেন্ড ফ্র্যাকশন ইউ ক্যান সি দিস ইজ দ্য এলসিএম ফ্রম here we get, and this is the division of the numerator of the fraction 2. After cutting down it will become x into x minus y, so this x into x minus y will have to multiply with the fraction, second fractions numerator and denominator. Here you can see the multiplication y into x minus y, and x plus y into x minus y. So after multiplying it will become xy into x minus y, and after multiplying this it will become the x into x square minus y square in the denominator. You can see the now the in case of third fraction, so the LCM was x into x plus y into x minus y and divided by x into x plus y. After cutting down this x and this x plus y, it will remain x minus y. So this x minus y will have to multiply with the third fractions numerator and denominator. Here you can see the third fraction, and multiplying with this quotient it will become z into x minus y and x into x plus y into x minus y. So after multiplying it will become z into x minus y, and after multiplying the denominator it will become x into x square minus y square. So from the above discussion you can see the solution of so the derived fraction are, see here you can see the derived fraction is is here you can see the derived fraction, the all the denominator of the all fraction is the same, that's x into x square minus y square, x into x minus y square, x into x minus y square, and numerator is not same. So this is the common denominator derived. So I think everybody will be able to understand. If any question or if any problem ask me in the Zoom class, I will try to solve in that, but you will try to understand this video after getting frequently watching the video frequently. You will able to understand the class. I think everybody will join next Zoom class. Up to that, stay well with your home safely. Allah Hafiz.